Hello and welcome back to another video. Now I know it's been a while and I do really apologise for that, but with everything that's been going on with Patchworks, my videography company, I've been very busy, which is good, so I'm not going to complain about that. But what it means is that the real Patch has taken a back seat slightly. Today, no more, because we are taking my daily driver, my BMW X5 MANUAL, to #mechanic in Potton. Now the reason we're doing this is because A, the car needs love, it needs an MOT, probably needs some servicing bits, but more importantly today we are changing all of the bushes. And the reason we're doing that is because today is the first episode of How to Modify Your Daily. We're back! We're back with How to Modify Your Daily, and today is that day. So, without further ado, let's drive in the X5 to If you own an X5, these are all the things that you know are going wrong with your car. What's the first thing we do with a Modifying Your Daily car series YouTube video? Don't modify it, fix it. So the reason why I've gone for PowerFlex bushes for the first modification for the Daily Driver series. When you buy a new car, well, I say new to you, usually second-hand, especially me, like I like old stuff, so this is 2005. Those bushes that were originally on the car from 2005, with weather and driving and everything, they perish very easily. So when you replace them, especially with the quality of like PowerFlex, all of a sudden your car becomes, it feels like brand new. So that's what today is all about. It's all about making the car feel like it did back in 2005. Whether that's a good thing or not, I don't know. But certainly with the amount of bushes that we've got from PowerFlex, it's going to be night and day difference. I already know it. So literally going front to back, we've got all new bushes. Let's look at what we've actually got. We couldn't do a real Patch video without having my trusty Richard Warmer in the background. Richard, would you do the honours and open one of these up? I'm going to show the people the quality.
Are you going to make me open one of these?
Yeah. It just looks so much better. It just looks like the quality is going to... Like, even the feel of it.
Yeah.
The feel of the quality.
It's just, yeah, like you said, it's just good quality stuff. I mean,
I was like, I just heard like this rumbling. I was like, what is going on in the background? Turns out Grandad was doing things.
Okay, so there's no rear brake wear sensor either.
As in, there's no rear brake sensor, as in there isn't one, or there should be?
There should be one, but it's not there.
Oh, good. What's that?
That's your brake wear sensor.
Oh, that's not connected.
Come on down!
Come on down here, son!
Wow, I haven't seen this much silicone since I was in my mother's bottom drawer. Fundamentally, they allow the suspension to flex.
Yeah.
Now, in a standard bush, you get a lot more flex because it allows for more ride comfort.
Yeah.
However, that doesn't do anything good for handling and various other aspects and characteristics of driving. It makes those things feel quite vague.
Yeah.
Poly bushes from PowerFlex offer that extra rigidity to give way more feedback from the car. So when you turn in, instead of the car moving in an unnatural way and then reacting to the input, you turn, it reacts, you get a better handling.
By the way, that's Ryan from #mechanic, the owner of #mechanic. He's a very busy man, and yes, he has shut this week but he's actually got so much other stuff that's come in and he just can't afford to. So he's got like 7 MOTs going on today. He's got Richard's wiring loom to crack on as well with. So we're very appreciative of the time that he can give us. But obviously, customers come first. But that's fine. So yeah, I think what we'll do is we will crack on, get some stuff from the underneath filmed, get them out, and then I can show you the difference between the two bushes, the old and the new. Take some pictures of everything, show you it all, and then I'm just gonna, probably the easiest thing to do is time lapse it. But the whole purpose of the Modify Your Daily series is to hopefully embark some knowledge on what you can do to your car. So if you just bought a second-hand vehicle that's new to you, it might be from 2005, 2010, the first thing before anything, obviously servicing and all that stuff, sort of good stuff, bushes. Make it drive like a proper car, make it drive like it should have driven from the factory. You heard Ryan say earlier, you know, factory bushes allow comfort and play and give, but that obviously wears a lot quicker. With polyurethane from PowerFlex, they're not going to wear as quickly, and they're going to make the car feel a lot more responsive. A simpleton like me might not feel the difference in terms of comfort, but with an X5, are you going to feel the difference in terms of comfort? Maybe not, because it's such a big car. But for something like the E36, where we're going to go literally all-out Black Series, the levels of bushes, like the Black Series is the most firm. With something like that, you're going to feel the difference. So it's going to be very exciting. But yeah, we'll crack on, we'll get the car up in the air, we'll take some stuff off, show you the difference between the two, and then, yeah, carry on with the day.
One of the rear subframe bushes. So in here, these are called void bushes, and that's why they work differently to the likes of the PowerFlex. So PowerFlex is a solid bush, which allows for little to no movement.
Yeah.
It allows it to flex slightly, whereas these allow for a lot of movement in the vehicle.
Yeah.
I can grab a bar and show you.
So alongside doing all the bushes, we've made more discoveries of corroded lines. When you're buying a second-hand car, kids, don't. That's wild.
So that's not a lot of effort that I'm putting in on that.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the level of bush. Now, look at that sucker.
You should have a split button.
Yeah, just pure quality, super, like in comparison to these, so much firmer, and just, yeah, the quality is nuts. So already I know that this is going to make a huge difference to how this car drives. So, quick little feature that I found on here, there is fitting instructions. So what you do is you scan the barcode, and that brings up the bush information, its cost, its quantity per car, and you can scroll down and you find instructions and drawings, and it gives you literally word for word fitting instructions for that little diagram. So that's really handy. So we've used that a couple of times now just to see if there was a certain directional thing for it, but there's not, so it's good. So we're going to fit these bushes in, and then we will be on our way.
Like a glove.
It's the hardest bit with PowerFlex bushes. Oh, did you hear that?
Oh,
did you hear that?
Oh, bloody well I did.
That's nice, that bit, when it does that.
rear, lower, outer integral bush. And that's coming out.
Did that make you jump?
That did make me jump. I'm a little prisoner. We're calling it day one of the BMW X5 How to Modify Your Daily series. We've managed to do pretty much all bar 2 bushes on the rear, which is just mega considering how much work there was. And I was there from 8 this morning, so huge thank you to Hashtag Mechanics so far. So accommodating, their knowledge, experience, everything. It's just been incredible, so I cannot recommend them enough. But today doesn't end. I am on my way to the washroom to work on the E36. But that's going to be a separate video, so I'll start a new one literally when we get to the washroom. See you there.